Little break from work and a little flight here, man. Yeah, I got to do some stuff, guys. I know we should be staying in place, which I am, but uh, we got to keep stuff moving, man. There's no way all of us can stay in place. So, my apologies, but I've been staying away from people and doing my part. We've been even staying away from each other in the house. Yeah, even in the house. So, yeah, doing what we can. We feel great. Everybody feels good. We're working. This is going to be a bad week from what I understand. COVID-19 is in season, man. It's going to rear its head. But nicer it gets, the I think the better we'll be. Get some sun, guys. Don't just stay in the house. Don't get so scared that you just stay in the house. Do not do that. Come out and get some sun. Yeah, this is Palmyra Cove, April 6th, 2020. Cove Cold 19 is upon us. We're in there. I got it marked off in the calendar, man. Everybody stay, keep your hands clean, stuff like that. You know all the stuff. But it's groovy, man. I'm really having great days out here, guys. I'm staying away from everybody. I'm super isolated. It's me and Yoke. There's some neighbors here. Trying to stay groovy. All right, man. Okay. Keep looking for some fish and stuff, man. This is a beautiful flight, man, for me. Anyhow, I really like it because I'm FPVing it, so I'm seeing this like firsthand. Very awesome. Yeah, man. Yeah, so you're not really allowed to fly over this park, or you're allowed to fly over it, you're not allowed to fly from it. So I'm flying from work, and these guys are... I'm allowed to fly over it. This is legal flight space. But yeah, I like these little channels and all. You can't see this from the ground on an angle. Yeah. And the water's super clear. If there was fish traveling through there or some big stripers feeding there, you would see them. That's the beauty of this thing too. Spot fish. You can spot fish with this, no problem. Especially like fish like stripers are shiny. Yeah, these grooves are pretty cool. Little channels. Yeah, this is what warms the water first too. This stuff gets exposed and the sun hits it, and the heat gets drawn out, and then it gets pulled into the water, and the water starts warming up. It's pretty cool. Big mud flats. Tubiflex live in there, guys. Worms. The fish feed on them and stuff. They dig them up, pull them out. When it gets cold, they'll go down into these crevices where it's the coldest. The tubiflex worms will come to the top. Fish feed on them. They're awesome. high tide over there in Palmyra Cove. You guys made it this far in the video, man. This is a crash video, so I'm gonna put that in the title anyhow. But yeah, I crashed in a tree. I actually didn't. I was returned to home, but I had the height set wrong. Took me a long time to find it, but you'll see towards the end. I'll explain it. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool how I found it. And on my own, I walked right past it. Yeah, you're listening to Johnson iBase on that's my YouTube channel, guys. If you guys can come over to YouTube and hit like and support the channel, I'm real close to being monetized, guys. Real close. Getting a lot of support from all over the world. See all those little channels. YouTube wants me to monetize early, you know, but I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait till I imagine this grows in with plant life too. Probably the numbers I need, but I really appreciate everybody's views and everything. I'm not really doing well on Facebook. I put it on there amongst my friends and stuff, but on YouTube, man, I'm starting to do pretty well. All right, guys. Stuff too. We're doing well. I got to mention Yoke too, right, Yoke? We're not seeing much fish. You would see them if they were in there, even in those deeper holes. Around now. Didn't see no snakes. Seen a turkey while I was walking around. And yeah, what a great flight, man. You know, here at taking a break from work right there and getting out here and you know, staying away from everybody. You know. But yeah, there's all tidal back in here. Real close to home. I can walk to this place from my house. I'm in Philly, but this place is close to my house. So you've seen the Delaware River, you've seen Palmyra Cove, you're going to see the Pennsauken Creek coming up here, and you'll see the crash. This isn't really a beach down here, guys. This thing we're coming up, which looks like a beach, it's actually all plastic bottles, the whole entire thing, and other rubbish, but it's like 80% plastic bottles caught up in that corner. Yeah, man, I'm going to revisit this, see if I can help that spot out. I got a pickup truck, and these guys let me back there, so maybe I'll, tow that stuff out of there, get a little help, and get all that plastic out of there, because there's stuff trying to do stuff under there, live under there and all. And I know it's like a new plastic ecosystem for them, but yeah, I think like once you got like gather spots like that, they should be managed. But yeah, that whole thing down there, that whole thing. Here comes the crash anyhow, but that's all. I was all up in there looking around for it before I used the system to find it. But here it goes, man. It's a RTH too. It's not me. It's not me flying it. It didn't even come back up on my screen yet. And I thought I was high enough to clear everything, but here you go. Right into the tree. Bam. And I was like, uh-oh. Says motor failure right there. Comes back. That's how I found it. I found it on Google Maps. The thing sent me the coordinates of where it was. And I would look for it first. I didn't even realize when I sat down, I was getting ready to leave. And I found the coordinates, man. Parrot, Bebop is amazing. I was able to walk right up to this. And I didn't do that. This is me like probably walking away from the site where it was last seen. But, yeah, I walked right up to it, man. Right up to where it was sitting. And found the battery first and then the quadcopter. That's why I was trying to reconnect it by rebinding it, by walking up and catching its IP address. You can do that, but the battery spit out, so you can't do that. So, yeah, man. Great day, especially when you find it. And there's nothing wrong with it. I thought the motor failed, but it didn't. It was a crash. Yeah, nothing wrong with it.